All right, let's talk about a dish that, let's be honest, gets a pretty bad rap. I'm talking about carrot salad. But today, we are going to completely rethink it. We're going to take this one humble vegetable and turn it into three totally different, absolutely incredible dishes.
No, really, think about it for a second. What's the first thing that pops into your head? I bet for most of us, it's that pile of kind of sad grated carrots, maybe with some raisins. The side dish that always gets left behind at the potluck.
Oh, we can do so much better. We're moving way beyond that. This is all about showing you how a little bit of technique, not just different ingredients, but technique, can give one simple carrot three completely unique personalities. So, welcome to the ultimate carrot salad showdown. We've got three distinct styles lined up, and each one has its own secret weapon, ready to prove it deserves a spot on your table.
In one corner, we have the modern trendsetter, that spicy Asian ribbon salad you've seen everywhere. In another, the timeless classic, French carottes râpé. And our third contender, the flavor powerhouse, a Moroccan-spiced carrot salad. Let's get into it.
First up, the one that's probably been blowing up your social media feeds. This one is all about that amazing texture, a kick of spice, and best of all, it's super fast. And when I say fast, I mean it. Look at that, just 10 minutes. But the real magic here isn't just the speed. It's all about one key technique, the ice bath. So, the process is incredibly simple. First, you're going to ditch the grater. Instead, grab a vegetable peeler and make these beautiful, long, wide ribbons. Then comes that all-important ice bath. You whip up a quick dressing, toss it all together, and you're done. So, what is with this ice bath? It's not just about getting the carrots cold. It's like a shock treatment that completely changes their texture. It makes them unbelievably crisp and snappy and gives them that gorgeous little curl. It's the secret to that addictive crunch. But what if you want to take that flavor from great to absolutely unforgettable? Well, there's a pro move for that. It's called the sizzle hack. You just heat up a little oil until it's shimmering, and then pour it right over the garlic and chili flakes in your dressing. You'll hear that sizzle, and what's happening is the heat is blooming the aromatics, unlocking this deep, toasty flavor you just can't get any other way. It's a total game changer. Okay, so from the fast-paced world of sizzle hacks, let's take a trip to a classic Parisian bistro for our second contender. This is all about understated elegance. And you can see the difference right away. A mandatory 20-minute rest. This salad isn't about speed, it's about patience. And the key technique here is something called maceration. For this one, we are going back to the box grater. But here's the trick. You use the smallest holes to get these really fine, delicate strands. You toss them with a classic vinaigrette, and then you do the most important step. You just walk away. That waiting period, that's maceration. It's not passive time. The salt and the acid are actively working on the carrots, tenderizing them just a little bit and letting all those distinct flavors meld together into one harmonious taste. The salad literally makes itself better while it sits. I mean, this says it all, right? It's not a suggestion, it's a rule. If you skip the resting step, you're not taking a shortcut. You're basically missing the entire point of what makes this classic so special. And now for our final contender. We're throwing out the rulebook entirely. This one doesn't start with raw carrots at all. It starts with a pot of boiling water. That's right, this Moroccan-inspired salad is cooked first, so we're not aiming for crunch at all. The goal here is a tender, substantial texture that's perfect for soaking up flavor through our key technique, marination. So we start by cooking little carrot coins until they're just fork tender. Then, here's a really smart move. You drain them and immediately toss in the raw garlic. The residual heat from the carrots is just enough to gently tame that harsh, raw garlic bite. Then you pour over the spice dressing and let it all hang out to cool. And that cooling process, that is everything. As those warm, tender carrots cool down, they act like little sponges. They just soak up all of that incredible dressing. The cumin, the warm spices, the bright lemon juice, the flavor just gets deeper and deeper. So there we have it. One carrot, three completely different techniques, and three wildly different salads. So which one is the best? Well, the truth is, the champion is whichever one is right for you. Let's just break it all down. You want something crunchy, spicy, and super fast for lunch? The Asian ribbon salad is your winner.
Need a bright, elegant side dish to cut through something rich like a roast or steak? The French classic is perfect. And if you want a bold, deeply flavorful salad that you can make ahead and that actually gets better in the fridge, the Moroccan spice salad is your powerhouse. So the only real question left is, which carrot champion are you going to crown in your kitchen? Will it be the trendsetter, the classic, or the powerhouse?